Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys, it's none other than the number 82 as you can see there. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. And well guys, we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below here it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 82. If you would like to see the previous 81, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And here you have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, of course, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. Here it talks about a miniature circus that was called the Howard Brothers Circus, which was at 1/16 scale, which was around the time of the Ringling Brothers and the Barnum and Bailey Circus. It's from 1920. So here you have a picture of a part of the miniature. You can see the tent, people getting ready, horses in the background. And over here, guys, it lists all of the different parts of the picture that we see on the other side. Here's a picture of another part of the miniature. And here guys, it walks you through how to prepare the window for the front of the house. It looks really cool. And also it teaches you how to make a little bottle of milk for your house as well. That's kind of cute. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once I unbox the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects. So guys, make sure to stay tuned, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And I love this chair. This is really great. Look at the little flowers. And here, guys, it talks a bit about Buckingham Palace. Sorry, the pages are a bit stuck today. There. And then there you have a nice big shot of Buckingham Palace there. And well guys, here in the back cover you just have the front of the dollhouse with all of the windows put in. It looks really cool. I can't wait to do this. And of course, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well guys, now it's time to check out our new addition to the dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new window. It looks really cool. If you guys remember, this is the same as the number 81. However, the front of the house has two of these larger windows. So it's good to see it up close exactly how it will look, and you can have a general idea, which is pretty cool. Well, I'm going to show you this back part. You have this plastic, as I said in the previous video, is super thick, so I don't imagine that this will break anytime soon, which is pretty great. It's very a solid piece. And well guys, you tell me, what do you guys think about our second window? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell that's right next to it. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.